What is happening, everybody? Josh here, back with another shop update from Milwaukee, Washington, here at Spawn World Headquarters. We got a lot of stuff to go over today, so bear with us. It's going to be pretty product heavy. So we're going to jump right into things. Pete and I have been working extensively on getting things on the website, making sure they look good, and making sure they're very visible for you guys to buy. So in saying that, we're going to go over a few new products that have been photographed first on the website. So we got every color of Crazy Legs from Hairline. Hopefully you guys can see these, and if you can't, the photos on our website are fabulous. So check those out today. This is an epic leg. It's got a ton of color. They're all very vibrant, so check those out. Really, really nice product. Next product that was photographed and up, we got the Shimmer Rabbits from Hairline. So we've had these on the website for a very long time, but now the photos are up so you can see exactly that color and the shine that you're getting from this product. It's a really unique product. It is a very cool one. I am a fan of this one right here. Then we'll jump into some new products that we added, which are, first things first, we got the petite bucktails. So we're gonna do a separate video on these, kind of talking about the uses and the need for why we added these, but know that we do have petite bucktails in stock. So if you're looking for just a little bit of bucktail and you don't want to spend that extra money on a full large northern bucktail, we have the petite tails ready for you. Another thing we want to continue to push, Spawn Sims gear. All of the lady stuff is now up and live on our website. All the inventory's been checked in. Really, really cool. So the photos are on there. Remember that the Spawn emblem is going to be on all of these Spawn Sims pieces. We are going to coax McKenna back down here to do some modeling for us, and we'll get those pictures up ASAP once we get those rocking and rolling. We'll jump right over to Tibor. So Tibor reels are always hot when we got them. So really hot, and then we don't have them. But right now we got them. So Signature Series, these are the big boys. We have 3 color options on the Signature Series for these reels. So really, really cool. These are those 12 weight. They are live on the website. Added those today. Inventory's live, so get those while they last. Really, really cool. All right, now, might want to have to zoom in on this one. If we can get you to make sure you can see this. You guys see that all right? We're hoping that's as good as it gets, because that stuff is phenomenal. Pete curated some Cutthroat Kush, a new colorway to our Spawn UV Semi Seal, and this stuff is fabulous. We sent out over 200 bags on Black Friday to all of you guys, or most of you guys. So that is now officially live on the website. So we've had a lot of requests over the last week. We've had a lot of interest. People have been getting it out, putting it in the vise, then putting it in the water, and finding that same success that we found when curating this blend. So check that out. It's great. You're gonna love it. It's new here at Spawn, and it is ready to get out the door. Be on the lookout for new colors as we move into 2023. We're looking to do a lot of really, really cool stuff. As always, we do all that in-house here at Spawn Fly Fish. So now we will jump into a few other things. One of the things that you guys all love to hear from us, especially those that tune in locally, is the fishing report. And it was tough. So we get on here, we preach that fishing's great, that's great, it's great. It was not great on Tuesday. It wasn't. And that's the reality of it. It's not gonna be great every time you go out. And we are transparent in that. So fishing was hard. It was, and by hard it means we didn't catch any. When somebody says fishing's hard, we didn't catch any. So it doesn't mean that they're not there. It just means that whether it was the water, the temperature, it was just a tough day of fishing. We're at that real interesting time here in Southwest Washington where it's the tail end of the coho season. We'll still get some of those big B-run coho, and you will encounter them. but we weren't encountering them in the numbers. We didn't see them like we usually do. And the water's dropping. It's dropping very fast after that last big push. And we're still a little early for the steelhead season. So we've seen a few caught, but it's not gonna be lights out in this in-between period. It's gonna be a cutthroat here, a cutthroat there. And then as we move farther into the winter, then that's when we'll start seeing more and more steelhead. So keep that in mind. Still come down and fish. It's beautiful. You will encounter fish, but just know that it wasn't lights out like it has been the last few weeks. And we're gonna jump into that. So last thing on the agenda that we wanna make sure that we mention is dates. We're always talking dates. This Friday, December 16th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. we are gonna have a fly tying night with the Salt Hotel and Pub. And it's been tweaked a little bit. If you follow us on Instagram or Facebook or see some of the local Facebook pages that we post to, the event has been altered. Previously, you had to be a guest of the hotel or book a stay at the hotel to join the class. The class has now been opened up to general public, local, anybody can join the class now. There is a $30 fee associated, and that is live. We will drop the link below here in the description, but please come see us. It's gonna be a ton of fun. We're really excited. This is gonna be our first fly tying night hosted outside of Spawn, so we got a lot of learning that we're gonna do, and we're discovering what we can improve. But overall, the event is gonna be awesome, so if you're not gonna be there, just know that you're missing out. And that does it here for Spawn Fly Fish. As always, be sure to hit like, be sure to subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.